as you can see, the Cobra's still in the shop. And see how there's one headlight out of it? Well, I convinced Jay to buy this kit. RMS Lighting. They sell you a brand new headlight. And then you get some pretty quality, super frickin' bright light bulbs that go with those housings. So we're gonna swap these things out real quick. All right, there you go. Driver's side is the RMS one, passenger side is not. And I've been loving, so they're working. Let's get the other one switched out. Before I switch it out, I turned them back off. So just to give you a visual cue, it still looks a lot like the old ones. So see, that looks like an old headlight. This is an actual old halogen one, but just from looking at it like that, you can't really tell that that one is the new housing and that's the old one. I mean, you could tell a difference between them because you could see that one's darker in the back because it's got that whole black assembly headlight in there. It looks pretty good, so it still looks classic. All right, I aimed the lights, but I forgot to show you, so let me turn them back on. Ta-da! They're freaking bright. They look good though.